Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, as you see by the title, I am doing a smash or pass Jamaican artist. So if you're new to this channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so first person that I have, if you know me, if you don't know me, you don't know some love Vibes Cartel. Okay, so Addy, teacher, world boss, cartel, whatever you want to call him. It's my husband, so you know he's gonna get a smash, right? Period. Cause a cartel, and even though I have enough tattoo, and that's not my thing, but cartel, like, it fit him. I don't know how much tattoo I have, but I don't care. That's why it's cartel, and I love him. So that's my artist, #1 artist. Okay, so I definitely get a smash. The second one is Popcorn. Popcorn, I get smashed too. I'm short, and I'm short, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get smashed too. He's cute to me. I'm like, he look a swag when I have a guan. He look smashable. He's smashable. The third one is Alkaline. Alkaline, no, Alkaline, I can song them, not gonna lie, but to smash him, I want to smash him. I don't find him attractive to smash him, but he song them bad, not lie, he song them bad, but it's smashable for me. Yeah. Next person is Gage. No, I honestly don't remember if me look when that song came out. Don't that song, when it came out, I did not know. I don't think I ever seen him before. I think I just heard the song and I went to go look it up. I didn't see the person. I didn't see how he looked, and I saw it today, and I'm like, I ain't sing that. I'm gonna pass on him. But the song bad though. Song bad, but it's smashable to me. So yeah. Next person is TJ, up top boss. Even though he lose some weight, I think I will still pass on him. I can song them. Yeah, you know. And I'm sure you song already. So let's say me now worry about nothing. And I sang that. So the next person I have is Massacre. What? Massacre gets smashed. Yep. Movado. Pass. Skilly Bang. Skilly Bang. I'm gonna pass on Skilly Bang, cause Skilly Bang, he's not attractive to me. I'm liking song. My favorite one, Brick Palm Brick. Brick Palm Brick Palm Brick. That's my favorite one from him. I listen to Crocodile Teeth with the alright. I'm not really like it like that, but it's alright. You can go on. Alright, what your song name? Playing Crash with the Coke, something like that. something like that. I don't really know the song there. I listened to it one time, or not 2 times. Listen to it. It didn't really get to me yet, you know. You know, you have to listen to one song more than one time. She song get to you, or sometimes one song one time I like a song. This song, a crocodile teeth song and a coke song, not really get to me yet. So if I never keep on listening to it, I'll see. Yeah. Sean Paul. No one would say Sean Paul is a legend. Like Sean Paul is a legend. Sean Paul is the GOAT. Smashable, definitely. Who can pass up on Sean Paul? Like Sean Paul is very attractive. That man is very attractive. The next one is Dexter Laps. People also like go like a summertime. The next one. Oh, let me say what? Sure. No, Dexter Laps. Dexter Laps. No. Dexter Laps. No. I don't think is he attractive? I don't really find him that attractive. He's not ugly, but like I was saying in the other video, he don't look better than popcorn to me. So, but to smash him, let's smash Dexter Laps. No. I would smash Dexter Laps. Like in song them though, song them bad, but the only way without smash Dexter Laps, I would see if he really can go on with the things then when he's singing that song. That's the only way. Other than that, no. So I'm just pass on him. I'm just being honest over here, okay? What the next person? The next person is Cranium. He's another one. It's the same thing for Dexter Laps for me and Cranium. Cranium is alright. Should I smash Cranium? Okay, some of his pictures I see on Instagram is cute. Some of them look good. So, but I don't know if I was smashing. I don't know, cause he a Leo. I don't like Leos. I don't get along with Leos, so I'll probably pass just cause of that. And just cause of that. I don't know. I think I'll pass on Cranium. I like him song them though. So the next person is Dirty Governor. Yeah, Governor is attractive. I like him. He's cute. So I think I'll smash. Yep, I'm gonna smash him. Who else? Idonia. Idonia is yummy. Okay, him attractive, bad. I love when he wears hair in a ponytail and it's just a mess at the top. The man looks sexy. The next person is Jacure. I think I'm gonna pass on Jacure. I can song them, but I'm gonna pass. The other person is Ioctane. No, honestly, I never like Ioctane like that. Cause I didn't find him attractive. But recently he lose some weight. The man look good. Him look good. So yeah, smash. But he lose enough weight. So yeah, he's smashable right now. At least maybe honest. Like I can have a change of mind. So the next person is Shaggy. Shaggy's another one. Shaggy's a GOAT. Shaggy's a legend. Of course I'm gonna get smashed. And he's attractive, bad. So Shaggy. The other person is Conscience. Conscience attractive too. Yeah. Conscience very attractive. I like him. The other person is Jamil. No Jamil. I don't think I'll Jamil. I don't find Jamil attractive like that. I don't find Jamil attractive like that. I'm a pass. The next person is Tommy Lee. I like him song. I'm a tune. I'm like that song there. Bad. Like what? That's my song. Being here blasting that shit. What? The man say NC and water. This man if you say NC and water. Seriously? I don't drink NC, but the way people drink it, not everybody water. People don't would drink it like not like without chase around nothing. Like if you take a one bottle of NC and just pull your head like that, yeah. You know I'm smart like that. So yeah, I'm gonna pass on Tommy Lee. Yeah. Next one, Squash. Me see how he look. I honestly don't know any song them. Appearance wise, make a pass. Yeah. I don't wanna ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong no. Definitely what? Ding dong attractive. The man attractive. Understand what I say. And he can dance. And he have a nice smile. Yeah. Ding dong is smash. Yeah. Next person is Christopher Martin. Christopher Martin. I met Christopher Martin before, like years ago, before he became Christopher Martin. It's like one of my childhood friends that I grew up with in church. That's her cousin, so we met him. We met him through her because he came to the church. But yeah, he's very attractive, so yeah, he's getting smashed, of course. So the last person I have is Javelani. Javelani. One of his songs that I like is called No Reason. Let's smash him. You know, him not bad looking. Yeah. He gets smashed. So it's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and come back and watch me.